Hello, fine yogi friends. How are you today? I am good. Thank you for asking. Today, we're going to learn a little bit more about the enteric nervous system and the incredible power of touch. Are you ready for a journey into the unknown? Hit that subscribe button and let's jump in. First, I'd like to introduce you to your digestive superhero, the enteric nervous system. Imagine your belly as a superhero city and the enteric nervous system as the superhero squad keeping things in check. Millions of tiny heroes, neurons, chilling in your stomach and intestines, making sure that your digestion is top notch. Now enter the gut-brain axis, a secret hotline that connects your belly superhero team to your brain. Guess who the superstar messenger is? That's right, it's the vagus nerve. It's like a superhero shuttle, shuttling information between your gut and your brain. A two-way chat that's crucial for understanding how thoughts and feelings impact your tummy. The ENS is the MVP in keeping your belly in top shape. But if it goes wonky, it can lead to some not so fun issues. So keeping your ENS happy is the key to feeling awesome and ready for all of life's adventures. Did you know that your gut is like a bustling city of microbes? These little helpers make neurotransmitters that influence your brain's mood and behavior. A happy gut equals a happy brain. It's like a magical connection. Now, let's talk about touch. Your skin is like a superhero suit covered in receptors and nerve endings. When someone tries to give you a high five or a gentle hug, it sends signals to your brain through these receptors. It's a party in your brain with neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. Your enteric system, the second brain, is BFFs with your vagus nerve. Massages and hugs stimulate the vagus nerve, giving your digestive superhero team a power up. This connection shows how a happy nervous system can make everything from stress management to digestive health a breeze. Ever wonder why a massage or a cozy cuddle feels so good? They activate the skin's receptors and the vagus nerve, promoting superhero balance in your nervous system. It's like a secret code for your overall health. From managing stress to keeping your emotions in check and boosting your immune system. So, there you have it, yogis, the magic of the enteric nervous system and the power of touch. Keep exploring, stay curious, and don't forget to give your body some superhero TLC. Self-touch and massage, give yourself lots of hugs, and check out our Mindful Minute playlist for some more tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share with your friends and family, and let us know what other mysteries you'd like us to uncover. For more information, visit our website, yogisquad.org. Until next time, yogis, stay supercharged.